Hi everyone, this is Jonathan with Honest Car Reviews. I'm going to show you the exterior of the 2022 Tundra TRD off-road package. It's the limited version. Just some things that I noticed that some people may also want to know. Regarding like the fog lights inside, I was trying to figure out how to turn them on. There's a switch on the inside and you can leave them on. You can leave them on continuously. So they're right there at the bottom, which is really nice. I think it looks really cool. And then also one thing that stood out to me was the camera location. So there's a camera underneath this rear view mirror. It looks like, I believe there's that might be the radar up there or the camera, I'm not sure, but there is a camera here in the front. So you can see that. Let me zoom out a little bit. And you also have a camera on this other, underneath here, the rear view mirror. And then on this back side, and then you have one here in the back as well. You can see it there. So those are where the cameras are on the truck. And that's how you get those different views and angles. And then you got the sensors on the bumper. And then also on the front. This does have the Tailgate Assist. Just press that on the side. It's a nice feature. I mean, it just makes it easier to open. And then lifting it's pretty easy. It's not too heavy, which is good. And underneath, one thing I noticed is, I don't know if you can see it from there, there's more of a, you don't actually pull anymore. Like on some trucks you would have to pull to open it. It's just a button, it's like electronic. You got some space here. I mean, you could fit wood or different material so that it doesn't slide around. But in this truck they included some connections for this area. I have to put them on, but if you wanted to tie things down. You all are interested what it looks like underneath. I'll show you here. It's already dirty after a week, but I have to get it washed. See what kind of view I can get from here. There's the underside. You can get a little more in the front. And then of course I'll pop the hood. Sure many of you have seen these already, these videos, but might as well show it again. Just in case you haven't seen it. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks.